This also will be another way. This is also an effective way by bending and popping. Either rotate or pop it. Most maximum damage अंदर से so this can be done. Otherwise, the facilitation from the sides of the thorax that also can be done. One, two. Okay. Okay. Thank you. This video will go to most of the third body injury people in the. Do you have any objection? No, sir.